Welcome back, traders. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd of August, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and I'm going to give you the important news for today as well. Let's start with yesterday. The first trade was this: Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. And we were looking to buy this. Why were we looking to buy this? Well, let me explain. So, we were technically in a downtrend at this point. We were getting lower lows, but we didn't make, we're getting lower highs, but we wasn't making lower lows. And instead, price shot back up, okay, and actually broke this last high here. So now we have higher highs, all right? This candle here was actually the candle that did that, broke this high. So we were looking for buys, guys. Yeah, we had a strong bullish candle. We had changed structure. We're looking for buy trades. Yeah, and we still are for today, guys. But I just need a retrace. Yeah, I've been waiting and waiting for this to happen. All right, but it still hasn't. But let's look at the H4 now, guys. So, yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for, guys, is a bit of a retrace. Yesterday, price just, drove up, give us very little opportunity to get in on this trade. It has created a little area here, but again, I still want price to come back into this grey zone, even if it just catches up with the moving average 20, all right? And then as soon as I see that, I will start buying this pair, and I'll put the trade in the VIP Discord. But I just haven't had a trade for that reason yet. I just don't see value in the trade yet. If we look at the H1, you can also see price has started to break down because we was in an uptrend. Yeah, and now price, is breaking down. Yeah, we're starting to see lower lows. And yeah, what I'd like to see is this downward trend to continue back down to here, and then we can start buying. So yesterday, no value, no trade, guys, for me. But again, let me know how you traded it. Maybe you took a trade. It'll be interesting to know, guys. So that was Canadian dollar yen. Let's also look at US dollar yen. So that's also a trade from yesterday. And as you can imagine, this is a similar story. If we look at the day chart, we were looking to buy this pair for obvious reasons. Yeah, we remember, guys, we were buying from this level. Yeah, a week or so ago. Price shot back up, come back down, tested these lows. Yeah, and then shot back up again. Okay, breaking this high. And like the Canadian dollar yen, as soon as we break that high, we've had a change in structure. And this was the candle that did that, okay? And then we're just looking for buys. We also had a very bullish candle. So a very similar trade to Canadian dollar yen. And then look, price just shot off even more. But again, guys, this shooting off makes it difficult to trade. If we drop down to the H4 now, look at this. Look, it's just such an aggressive bullish trend. And come up and hit target, guys, all right? It has formed this sort of low here. Perhaps potentially we could take trades from here today if it retraces. But again, in an ideal world, I want to see price retrace to an area of support where the moving average 20 also catches up with it. Yeah, this is optimal, shall we say. So, yeah, we didn't really have a trade again, guys. If we drop down to the H1, by the time we were looking at the market over here, it'd already come up and hit our first target. Price did come down, but when it came down, guys, yet none of these candles here really tell me buyers are in control. And I was also a bed. So again, no trade on US dollar, Japanese yen. I want to see more of a retrace. I'd consider this level, and then we'd take price higher. The next trade from yesterday was this. It was euro against the Swiss franc, and I am in this trade. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. So on the day chart, we were looking to short this pair. Yeah, again, for obvious reasons, guys. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, price, was still in a downtrend, retraced to a nice level here. So what was once support, now turns into resistance. We love, love, love this setup. Yeah, and we were just trying to take price lower. If we look at, the candle we were trading from, it was this one, because we had a nice wick rejection. I am less keen on this candle. So I'm going to, after this, I'm going to reassess this trade and take a look. All right. But I do like the level still to short this pair, and I'm in this trade. So if we drop down to the H1, why did I get in this trade? Well, like I said, guys, we had a couple of grey zones. We had this grey zone, where price could react at, but it just didn't. Yeah. So, we got some candles here, and then we just got this candle that broke through that level, which tells me it wants to come up to this grey level, and it did. And then once we got to this grey level, guys, I saw this candle. All right, and this candle is bearish enough. That is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. I got a nice retrace on this candle, so I entered around here, put my stop above here, and the idea was to take price, first of all. Yeah, I mean, my target was here, guys, this last area here. Okay, so this was my first target. But looking at this trade now, guys, I'll talk about this later. I'm gonna reassess this trade now, just because I don't like some of these candles. But I am in this trade. This is my first target with a view to taking it, back down to our higher time frame target. So we shall see, guys. We'll keep an eye on this trade and see how it goes. But I will manage this trade. Yeah. If I don't like some of the candles, I might exit the trade. I could end up hedge, but I may not let it get to that level. Like I say, I might get out before then. But it all depends how, these candles here start to perform. We'll keep an eye on them. But we are in this trade, guys. Yeah. Nice setup here. What else did we look at from yesterday? I was also looking at gold. You are gold. Every morning. I just put gold on trade ideas just so I can sing it. I'm not even interested in gold. I am really. So, yeah, gold was sort of, those were the three main ideas. But gold was also something I was looking at. But it's just this price action. I know I'm saying but a lot today, but look at this. Yeah, it's this price action. H4, right? We are away. Yeah, we've even broken this grey zone. We're going to come back up to here. No, we're not. We're going to come falling down. Yeah, it's just the price action with gold has been difficult to trade, so I haven't traded it. But I just want to show you that. That is difficult price action. You think we're going in one direction, and then we're going completely the other. So those are the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap. If you did, then please come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, guys, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And finally, guys, if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. Thank you very much. Merci, gracias. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 2nd of August, guys. It's going to feel a little bit like deja vu, guys. Yeah, because there's not many setups today. Yeah, a lot of trades are, I like the trend, but they're at support and resistance levels, or I like the trend, but I don't like the daily candle. So yeah, it's been tricky, guys. So it's going to feel a little bit like deja vu, because the first trade is going to be this Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. But before I show you my trade ideas, guys, if I could just tell you a few cool things we do. So first of all, we've got the free Discord channel, guys. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas, Got indicators, psychology, useful links, many things in there, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've got the VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this service, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're not sure about anything. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Okay, you also get 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas who have slightly different styles from me. I also give you exclusive content every week. And you get access to a performance coach, guys, should you need it. So lots of cool things in the VIP Discord. If you're interested, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, we do a mentorship program. If you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, so this is your way of showing your support for the channel, guys. It starts from as little as, under $2 a month, but it shows your support for the channel, and you also get some cool little perks as well. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream later, 8 a.m. New York EST time. I'll see you there for many of your questions. Get them ready and shoot away. Right, guys, first trade idea is this: Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. You're probably thinking deja vu. You would be right. This has been a trade now since yesterday. So not much has changed, guys. And what I'm looking for hasn't really changed as well. So we know this is in an uptrend because this candle right here, this big bullish candle, broke these last highs. Okay, and I believe we have a bit more room to move into up to this target of 108.50 psychological level, if not up to this 10900 level as well. I'm even going to put in a blue line there at 10900. All right, a little bit before. Okay, so that's the idea, to buy this pair, but we need value. So if we drop down to the H4, guys, we've got a couple of areas that we're interested in. So I'm now willing to take buys from this level. Yeah, this has been created yesterday. All right, it wasn't here the day before, but because I don't want to miss this trade, I would consider trades from this level or even this level here, guys. Well, not even, especially this level. All right, so yeah, we can look for buys here if we get a bullish reaction. This is the H4 chart, but I normally look for a bullish H1 candle. It allows me to get into the trade earlier. So a bullish H1 candle, I will start buying this pair. Okay, if that doesn't happen, guys, price could retrace down to the moving average 20 and this gray zone somewhere. And again, I just want to see a bullish reaction and I'll start buying this pair. All right. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And even if I drag this gray zone across, yeah, it also makes sense over here. There is a little bit of support through there. So yeah, they're the levels I'm looking at to buy Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And the next trade I'm looking at, and this is my last trade idea for today, guys. Like I said, not a lot of setups today. So yeah, some days you'll have that, guys. Some days I won't have any setups. So what are we looking at with US dollar, Japanese yen? Well, no surprises. We're looking to buy this one. Okay, so price again, very similar Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We got a break of this high with this candle here. And as soon as this happened, guys, we are, in an uptrend. And we've got to just look at these bullish candles. I want to see bullish candles if I'm looking to buy the market, but I would also like a retrace so I can get in on the trade. Yeah. And that's been the problem with this pair, but still looking to buy it. I mean, look at yesterday's candle as well. Nothing is telling us to stop buying this pair. Buyers are in complete control of this market. So if we drop down to the H4 now, again, I've added a level. So I'll be not tempted. I will take trades from this level here. Again, this is the H4, but if I get a H1 bullish candle at this level here, yeah, it could be a H1 and a H4 bullish candle at the same time. So yeah, bullish reaction, I'll start buying back up to here. If I don't get a reaction there and price perhaps starts breaking down, then again, I'll be looking for buys here, which catches up with the moving average 20 as well. And I'll be looking to take price higher. It might be a case, guys, again, which it has been with these two pairs, where, you know, look, price is already perhaps shooting off and it just carries on up. Yeah. But again, guys, you know how I trade by now. I'm looking for value. And this, let's say this H4 candle looks like this, you know, if it looks like that, that'll be a worry. Let me draw that again. I've been drinking vodka this morning. Bear with me. Yeah, if I get a candle like this, a green candle, you know, chances are it is going to come up and hit my first target. But there's just no value here. If I buy here, I realistically have to put my stop below the swing low. And then this is my target. You know, the risk to reward doesn't make sense. So I'm not interested, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, they're the two trade ideas for today, guys. Canadian dollar yen buy, US dollar yen buy. Don't forget all the cool things we do on the channel: free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, Simply Forex membership, and the live streams. Let's take a look at the news now. News for Wednesday, the 2nd of August, guys. So, a pretty light news day, really, guys. If we scroll down, the only two pieces of news we're interested in are these. At 1:15, London GMT, coming out of the US, we've got non-farm employment change. All right, so this could move any US dollar pairs. And then at 3:30, coming out of the US, again, a 3-star rating, we've got crude oil inventory. So this could affect, obviously, crude oil. That goes without saying, the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. All right. So it's not just the US dollar data release, this one. But that's it, guys. You are free to trade pretty much today, but just keep an eye out for those two. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join us for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST. I'll see you then. See you later, guys.